Hey, a neat feature of virt-manager is the ability to create, manage, and control virtual machines on another system remotely over the network. To get started, we will need SSH for this, and I've already got SSH set up on my server here. We're going to need to install a few packages on the server we're creating virtual machines on, and a few on the machine we're controlling them from. The packages you need will be named differently depending on the distro you're running, but we need QEMU and libvirt, so do check out your distro's documentation on that. Here on my Alpine Linux server, I'm going to install the libvirt daemon, QEMU image, QEMU system x86-64, and QEMU modules packages. Once those are installed, we need to make sure the libvirt daemon is running, so to do that on Alpine Linux, I'm going to run doas rc service libvirtd start. The systemd equivalent to this command would be systemctl start libvirtd. Next, we need to add our user to the libvirt group, so to do that on Alpine Linux, I'm going to run doas add user, my username, libvirt. On most other distros, the command to add your user to the libvirt group would be usermod-a G libvirt your username. Now, the server setup is done, I'm going to move over to my desktop and install the virt-manager package. Once again, this may be named differently depending on the distro you're running. Alright, we're done with the terminal and can move over to virt-manager. Here in the top left corner, select File, Add Connection, enable Connect to Remote Host over SSH, and enter your SSH username and the IP address of your server. From this point on, we're ready to set up a virtual machine like normal, so right-click on the new entry here in virt-manager and click New, and continue through a virtual machine setup like normal. Alright, now we're ready to make sure this works, so I'm going to click Begin Installation, and hopefully our VM boots into the Debian Live ISO. If it boots up, we're ready to start installing operating systems and remote virtual machines. Finally, after verifying the virtual machines work, I'm going to come back here to my server and run doas rc update add libvirtd default to make libvirt automatically start when the server boots. The systemd equivalent to this command would be systemctl enable libvirtd.